Hello and welcome to the Elvatech channel. In today's video we will show you how to connect and control your ProSpector 3 XRF analyzer via Wi-Fi. This feature makes working with the analyzer even more convenient and efficient, allowing you to control the device remotely without the need to be physically close to it. Using Wi-Fi, you can connect the ProSpector 3 to your computer, enabling seamless data management and analysis from the distance. Keep in mind that for this feature to work, both the analyzer and your computer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So, let's get started with setting up the Wi-Fi connection on your ProSpector 3. It's simple and it only takes a few moments. So, first of all, to connect the analyzer to your computer, you need to connect the analyzer to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer connected to. Here on our computer we have connected to our internal network Elvatech public. And now we need to go to Options on the main screen of Analyzer, Networking and Wi-Fi. We have already connected to our network Elvatech public. So we just close this window. Now we need to go to Options, Networking and Remote Control. The next step, you need to find the IP address of your PC. To do this, you need to just press the window and R button together and type CMD command CMD, and just press enter. Now you see the black window is the command prompt window. Here you need to enter the IP config and press enter button. Next, you need to find the IPv4 address of your computer. It's 192. So now we need to enter this IPv address to our analyzer. So we just enter 192.168.0.194. So now we can close this command prompt window, and we need to open the PDA remote control application. It's for the remote control of our ProSpector 3 analyzer. So we just open it, skip, and now we just press connect. Now on the screen of our computer you see the screen of the analyzer, and now you can totally control the analyzer on your PC. So we just we press the close button. It can work with the slight delay due to the Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi network, but still it works. So now you see the screen of the analyzer on our computer. And for example, now we can analyze our sample. We have the sample of 316 stainless steel. It's our calibration sample. So we just place it on the measurement table, and now we can open, for example, alloys, the calibration alloys without light elements. You see that on the screen of the analyzer we are already in this calibration and we are ready to go. So just press the start button and the analyzer starts the analysis. You see that the analysis takes only several seconds, and we see that it is 316 stainless steel. This is how easy you can connect your analyzer to your computer and control it via Wi-Fi network. So after you have finished your work, you can just close this window, and that's all. And now you can work with the analyzer only. Now that your ProSpector 3 analyzer is connected to Wi-Fi, you can control the analyzer remotely, view real-time results, and even export data to your computer or mobile device, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Remember, both your ProSpector 3 and computer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the connection to work. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to make quick decisions and streamline your workflow with real-time data access. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials on how to get the most out of your Elvatech equipment. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Stay tuned and see you soon.